Welcome back. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been able to actually film my beekeeping operation. Last week was really rainy. Rain, cameras, and bees don't mix really well, so I had to focus on taking care of the bees and put the camera out of the rain. Something I noticed though was apparently there was a successful supersedure in the silver hive. So this week I'll focus on that hive, see if the queen was truly successfully replaced, and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's start with the silver hive and have a look how the supersedure went. The syrup is completely empty. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, they're packing this with syrup. That's very good. It's partially capped. Let me show you one of the frames. See, I did not place those close enough together and they went a little creative. So I can remove that and try and place them better this time. Let's see. Sorry ladies, shoot. This was undrawn about 2 weeks ago. Alright. This device should allow me to place them a slightly better spacing to prevent cross comb like we just saw. So I'll need to, well, first we need to unstick them. See if we can do a better job this time around. Let's have a quick look at the bottom of the chopped-wood chamber because swarm cells. boy, this is heavy. Last week, there was a Supersedure cell that was empty. So that means the old queen had been replaced and a new one came in. Let's see if we can find the remains of the cell she emerged from. And also let's try and see if there's eggs. That's almost all bee pollen. Well, I should say bee bread. Right? Put that there. That's again mostly food. Let's see if there's any eggs in there. No eggs so far. There is a queen cup over here, but it's empty. That's another bee bread frame. Empty for the most part. This looks like a brood frame. It's all capped over. See no eggs. Keep on looking. Now there was some eggs last week, so it might be just a bit further along in the bird nest. Ah, there's some young stuff in there. Let me have a better look. Well, this is encouraging. It's hard to see, but there's some very, very young larvae in this frame. Oh! Well, we do have a queen. I just found her. She's right there. So maybe they attempted a supersedure and the old queen decided, no, I want to stay. But this hive is queen right. Very encouraging news. Alright. May as well have a look at the rest of the frames. Now, the most likely reason there's fewer eggs in the brood nest is they're slowing down for fall. This hive is very healthy. I'll close them back up. There was no trace of the old Supersedure cell, so my guess is they dismantled it. Well, after having dug through the whole of the silver hive, I found no trace of the large Supersedure cell I found last week. Accompanied with the fact that I actually found the queen tells me that they started Supersedure preparations but then changed their minds. I've never seen something like that, but then again, I'm just a new beekeeper, so I learn something every day. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe.